I'm doing this video in response to a request from a friend who wanted to find out how it is that you get your continue reading links and those thumbnails that you insert into posts. So I'm just going to start here by giving this post a title. You're bound to find lots of information about this on the webs on places like codex.wordpress.com, but hey, there's no harm in adding my piece to the debate. So I'm going to call this one, let's see, where's autocorrect when you need it? Okay, and not knowing what I'm going to write just yet, I'm just going to start by saying down. Just bear with me while I do this. And yeah, I could go on and continue writing, so to save time I'm just going to copy and paste some of that. Press enter there, and press enter there. So if you don't add a read more link, chances are your template will display your post in its entirety on the home page. Now to add a read more link, simply just put your cursor where you want the introductory paragraph to end, and click on this icon here. If you can't see this icon and you're using code, I'll just put it back to visual so you can see what code you need to type in. Oh, sorry, let's undo that because I don't want it there. I want it here. That's my read more, insert more tag. As you can see, there's a shortcut key for it, Alt and Shift and T. If you go to the text, you see this little bit of code snippet here. If you type that, if you're using the text editor to write your blogs, if you type that in there, it will do the same thing. Okay, I'm going to save draft because I don't want to publish this gobbledygook just yet. And the other question was how you get those thumbnails to show up in your homepage. Well, depending on the template, that will decide what the thumbnails will be. But to get the image, you need to use this feature down here called Set Featured Image. Once you do that, choose any image you like. I'll just use one we had earlier. And go Set Featured Image. And you can decide how you want that image to display most of the time. Say for instance, if you're inserting the image in your text, in the body of your text, you can go Add Media here, Insert Image, I'll select you. Then here is where you decide how big you want the image to be when you insert it. So I just chose the thumbnail there, Insert into Post. You can do all sorts of other things. I click on it, go back to the Edit Image icon there. If I go to advanced settings, I can decide if I want it to be aligned in a different way. Let's see, and whether I want it left, right, centered, or none at all. Left is always good. And under advanced settings, you can decide how much space you want between the image and the text. So it's measured in pixels. 10 is always a good one. I'm just going to click on update there, and there you have it. So not publishing yet, I'm just going to save a draft. So if I preview with the template, with the theme I'm using, it's not going to show me my featured image at the top, but using the featured image, there we go, that's the one I inserted into the post itself. Some themes will show the featured image at the top of the page, some won't, depends on the theme you use. But by putting the more link, what's going to happen if this post is published is you will get the continue reading button right there. Hope that was